It has been a long time. Well, here I am. I'm back. Sorry, my voice is kinda coffee and stuff. Alright, some of you maybe have known me, but well, my name is Affan Rafif Nurfauzi, and you can simply call me Affan. I'm a college student now, and I'm currently studying Industrial Instrumentation Engineering at PEM Akamigas Cepu. Why I decided to choose instrumentation? The reason is quite simple. I choose instrumentation is because it offers flexible career opportunities. We can work in many sectors and in almost every part of the industry. Today, in this special morning, I will present to you about ways to introduce ourselves using SEED method. SEED method stands for skill, educations, or experience, achievement, and type of person you are. To make a self-introduction easier and more organized, we can use the SEED method. This method helps us introduce ourselves in a clear and professional way, especially in interviews and formal situations. Now, let's study each of the SEED methods correctly. Alright, the first one is skills. Skills in this part, we talk about the abilities that we have, such as communication skills, teamwork, problem solving, or technical skills. Skills are also divided into two categories, soft skills and hard skills, which are completely different from each other. Soft skills are related to how we interact with other people, such as communication, teamwork, and leadership. Meanwhile, hard skills are technical abilities, such as using software, operating equipment, and understanding specific technical knowledge. Both types of skills are important for education and future careers. The second is experience. Here, we explain our past experience, for example, like school projects, organizational activities, internship, or other activity that help us learn something valuable. Every experience that we have gone through is valuable, valuable for our development. Some experiences bring success while others, bring valuable lessons from failure. Both are important because they help us grow, become more mature, and prepare us for future challenge. The third one is achievement. This part is used to mention our accomplishment such as awards, certificates, competitions, or goals that we have successfully achieved. But now, before we move on, experience and achievement are related, but they are not the same. Experience is something we go through, while achievement is something we successfully accomplish. For example, joining an organization, working on a group project, participating in a training program, and doing an internship are part of experience. Whether we succeed or not, meanwhile, winning a competition, receiving a certificate, or becoming the best student is part of achievement. So, to put it simply, achievement equals to succeed, while experience is the process whether we success or not. And finally, for the last one, is type of person you are. In this section, we describe our personality and work attitude. For example, whether we are responsible, disciplined, adaptable, or willing to learn. For example, I consider myself a responsible and adaptable person. I can work both independently and in a team. I enjoy learning new things, communicating with others, and improving myself through every experience I face. Well, this part is important because people always, no, no, people don't only look for our skills, but also our achievement, but also at our attitude, characters, and how we interact with others. However, when we describe the type of person we are, we should be honest and realistically. We shouldn't be overconfident, but we should also not to underestimate ourselves. The purpose is to show our real personality, and also our strengths, maybe also the areas that we are still trying to improve, like the negative or basically trying to improve that still. By using the seed method, a self introduction becomes more structured, more interesting, and easier for other people to understand. It allows us to present not only who we are, but also what we can do and how we can contribute. Now, for a better understanding and to make it easier to see how the seed method works, I would like to give an example of introducing myself using the seed method. Hello everyone, my name is Affan Rafif Nurfauzi and I'm currently a student of Industrial Instrumentation Engineering at PEM Akamigas Cebu. In terms of skills, I have both soft skills and hard skills. My soft skills include communication, teamwork, adaptability, and leadership through my experience in school organizations. My hard skills include basic knowledge of physics, mathematics, electrical circuits, and the use of measuring instruments related to my field of study. For experience, I have participated in several organizational and academic activities. Through this experience, I learned how to cooperate with others, manage responsibilities, and solve some problems. And also, it trains my critical thinking skills. I believe that every experience, whether it's successful or challenging, always give us a valuable lessons and help us grow as a person. Now, move on to achievement. I have been trusted to take important roles in school organizations, such as serving as the chairman of Rohis or Islamic Spirituality, and being involved in various school activities such as Porsani. These achievements may not be very large, but they show my commitment, my responsibility, and my willingness to contribute to my environment. As a person, I consider myself such a responsible, disciplined, and willing to learn. I try to be honest with myself, so I don't want to be overconfident, but I also don't want to underestimate my abilities. I believe that everyone has strengths and weaknesses, and the most important thing is to keep improving ourselves, even though it's small or just small gains. But if we still keep improving, that's all we need. And that is the example of introducing myself using the seed method. I hope these explanations help us understand how to make a self-introduction for both social purpose and job interviews. Thank you for your attention and for listening my explanations. I hope this video can help all of you understand the seed method for introducing yourself more easily. See you next time. See you in the next video and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.